Dina. Let's go out for a walk.
Okay, let's go.
The streets are jammed. We can't go anywhere right now.
What are we going to do? We can go upstairs and we'll show you what.
Hey, let's go.
Yes. Why didn't you hang out?
The weather was terrible and the streets were blocked.
have died since heavy rains and flooding began to paralyze Egypt's capital Cairo and other cities.
طبعا خافوا من المشهد زي ما احنا شايفين دلوقتي التعامل تم بسرعه و
Streets of Cairo are not designed to sustain heavy rain. So when the sky pours, the city drowns. Egypt's capital is not prepared, and neither are its residents.
Did you know that 51 million liter cubic of rain falls yearly on Egypt? And after another dam, Egyptian water will be like 35 million liter cubic, and 1,500 acre will be spoiled.
Then what is the solution?
Oh, we had a school project. If we applied in real life, it can solve the problem of water shortage.
When it rains down, instead of the streets getting drowned with water, the water falls down into the special infrastructures that has dynamos inside the water turbines, which generate electricity and that helps with the environment and the national expenses. At the end of the pipe, there is a water pump which pushes the water to water filtration systems and gets filled and stored in water tanks that will help in water shortage and drought season.
Wow, that's actually very impressive.
Let's watch a movie.
I'll make popcorn.